How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you a quick instructions for beginners on CHITUBOX. So if you want to get started with your model, the first thing that you want to do is to click on Home. In here, click New Project. Of course, if you want to open up an existing one, click on the second option. In my case, since this is a beginner guide, I'm going to click on the New button, and here we have our project. So the first thing that I want to do is to simply add my own existing model. But if you want to add a new one, of course, we then have the ability to do something like add a cylinder shape right here. But once again, I'm just going to select one of my models. So it's going to be right clicking on the select model, click on open, and then you want to select the objects that you want to import onto your slicer. So it's going to be this one. And then of course, I'm going to adjust this accordingly. I'm going to click on the scale to fit, and then I'm going to decrease the size to match our project. So from there, since this is only the basics, we have the ability to click on the auto orient in order to orient it automatically onto our slicer. We have the auto layout, hollow if you want to go ahead and apply one, drill holes, and many more. One of the most crucial steps right here is the support. So if you want to apply one, you can just click on the support options, click manual supports, and if you select something like the adaptive support, and then basically I'm going to do something like contact point is going to be sphere. I'm going to add cross bracing, and same thing with rafts. You can then apply this supports by manually clicking on the model right here. So I'm going to apply supports into this area right here, and then right here. And then since we have enabled the cross bracing, we can then see that it will actually braces the supports together. So it will actually make our support stronger if you do this. And you could also apply one onto the bottom of our layer right here. So now that we have applied our support, of course, you have some additional options for something like auto supports, magic support, support center, and many more. This is the time where we can do our slicing. So to do that, just click on the slice option, click on yes, and then click on the slice right here. From there, you have successfully sliced your object, ready to be printed, and you should be good to go. If you want to add new printers, you can then navigate through the printer and material, click on the plus icon, select your model, select the specific model, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.